What's up, everyone? David here. Got this third gen I've been working on. It's a 06 5.9 truck. Pretty cool. I've done quite a bit of work to it. Suspension stuff, ball joints, track bars. He's got a rebuilt motor in it with some compounds, good CP3 pump, all the goodies up there. I've had the drive shafts refreshed. Yeah, it's kind of a cool truck. He's got a pretty built transmission going back in it. We got it back from Horse Torques, all refreshed. Converter, 1,000 horse, triple billet transmission. So I was just getting this cleaned up to go back in. He's got a bit of an oil leak up there, so I washed it really well. And hopefully we can see where the oil's coming from. But yeah, he's got full send diesel transmission lines, got the bypass, got a Whirly Fab compound kit, got all the Banks intercooler stuff. I mean, it's pretty dialed in. He's got some good parts on this thing. So I'll probably get a little clip of me installing the transmission. All right, so I'm getting ready to put this transmission in. This is it's 1,000 horse. Triple billet, Horse Torques. If you know, you know. Freaking all refreshed, back and beautiful as ever. This is a 27 spline input, I believe. In case you think we're bluffing, 1,000 horse. It's got the triple disc WP converter. I'm gonna get oil in that right now, slap it in, and then trans is going in. So, yeah, should be a bad unit. Back on the road. Okay, converter is in. Got just over a quart in it. Seems like any more just spills out. But yeah, that's full. I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse and I'll crank this thing up in there. There you guys go. Installed. Converter spins. I use my little Milwaukee and I don't pull them on with the bolts. If you kind of see in the time lapse, I just get them started and I start wiggling, get the dowels lined up. And yeah, I just keep pushing the transmission until it gets closer and closer. And then all the bolts start touching. I throw this back here too because my trans jack kind of leaks slowly. We're balling on a budget, but yeah, she's in. I'm gonna do a final torque on those bell housing bolts, get converter bolts in, and keep going. Okay, I got torque converter bolts in. I hooked up all the wiring, shift linkage. I'm gonna work on his other trans cooler and stuff later, so this isn't going on, but the way I like to do these is kind of from the front to the back. So torque converter bolts, and then shifter, TTVA motor, plugs, and I'm gonna stick the T-case on and probably even hook the drive shaft up and then cross member last. So yeah, I got the dipstick in too. Everything's torqued up to this point. I'm gonna get the T-case on the lift right now. Boom, just like that. I just gotta tighten those cross member bolts. I got everything else tightened up. Drive shaft torque or transfer case bolts. Got the mount. So that's pretty much a wrap. I'm gonna just get the rear drive shaft in. I'm gonna change the oil in the T-case, and that's pretty much it. The next part will be pretty much bringing it down, filling it up, and get it running. So that'll probably be the next part. I might just be in the video there with it running and everything, make this like an install video. I don't know if I'm gonna video driving it around or not, but I might. You know, these transmissions work pretty good, might as well show it off. So yeah, that's where we're at. Okay, here we are, first test drive, only 1 mile in. Got trans temp 105, engine coolant 190. So far, so good. I'm gonna get a few miles on this thing and then go back, check everything over. And we're gonna do a first service on it pretty early. But yeah, it's running good. Second gear. Third gear, fourth gear, lockup, this truck definitely moves. It's like 20% throttle. It is right up to speed. Transmission 113, engine 185. Going great. I'll check back at the house when I'm under the hood. All right, got about 6 miles, 7 miles on it. Transmission never got over 132. So I did pull over. I saw a bunch of smoke, but his downpipe is wrapped and it's covered in oil, I believe. So it started smoking, but it burned off. Don't mind how dirty it is. I'm gonna wash this thing up before it leaves. So yeah, I'm gonna throw it up in the air right now, check it over, and pretty much a wrap. I'll probably get a little video of it up in the air because I got the transmission cooler installed now. This is his derail cooler. Built a little simple bracket for it off the skid plate mount. He never had a skid plate, so we used those bolt holes. And then this is a return line filter I put on pretty much all the built transmissions. Usually just for the first 200 to 500 miles, like the first service. And then most guys just take them off. I keep one on my truck. I don't know if they really help or not, but it's a little bit of peace of mind just in case anything comes out of the coolers. that's gonna wrap up this triple billet 48 RE install. Yeah, this is the motor after I got it washed. Looking all fresh and shiny as new. So yeah, this guy's ready to go. I just double checked all the fluids, checked for leaks, gave it a little bath. So yeah, this guy should be happy back on the road. Transmission came out real nice. Cooler. So yeah, that's gonna wrap this up. And yeah, if you guys like this stuff, man, remember, like, comment, and subscribe.